Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a quick cold start on the Mercedes 300E. This car is not currently driving. My dad told me it has something to do with the brake line or something like that. He's got it on the jack now. So still, this car has not been started up. The engine has not been started in probably 3-4 weeks possibly. So let's see how it does. It's currently at 189,000 miles. There we go. It is hot in here. It is a hot day outside. And I've got the flash on the camera. I did not know that. Okay, let's go ahead and start it up here. This key can be problematic sometimes. If it feels like turning, I'm not sure if it's gonna... This thing is gonna be a pain today. There we go. That key is a pain to turn. It's like such a tiny key, and it takes a lot of force to turn it, and that like hurts your finger a little tiny bit just trying to, you know, turn the engine over. It's shaking a little bit actually, but it started. Not sounding too good, but this thing will be going soon. All right, let's shut her down. There you guys go.